I wish I could zoom in with this damn thing.
Yeah, look at that shit. It'll turn, man.
Yeah.
Tugboat. Oh, tugboat's cool. I like tugboat.
Tugboat number 1. Look at that. Look at that. What is that?
Snatched her on the first try. We need to go get the little trailer and I'll make it work good. Dude, this thing, I'm just going to be the tugboat captain. Everything else is for sale. Tugboat! Dude.
Look at that. How did you snag it on the first try is what I'd like to know.
Antenna.
Oh no, I'm gone.
Tugboat! Oh, tugboat's cool, dude. Tugboat! Don't steer very good in reverse. Oh, tugboat. You were worth the wait.
Even though it was back, even though it was on back order.
It gets along? What's wrong with that?
Oh man.
Dude. The wake is precious. Look at that wake.
Yeah.
That wake is sick, dude. I love it. As Brooklyn would say, I love it. It's so neat. I love it very much. Tugboat.
How big a battery is in there right now?
2-cell, 5,000.
5,000? Okay.
And the motor, listen, it can just drive.
It sounds like you could run about 10 hours on that 5,000 milliamp pack. Okay, you need a tugboat toot whistle.
That's quarter throttle, man. That thing freaking. Once you get it moving, it don't take no throttle to keep it going. Oh, I want to see this in the dark.
With the lights on?
They're on, but
are they?
You can see the nav lights on the side of the cabin. It has house lights in the bottom and the top and everything, yeah. And they kind of flicker like it makes it look like something's going on inside it.
That's what you're saying.
Oh, this thing's sweet, dude.
That is. It
Smooth
really
as
is.
glass, dude.
That is.
Tugboat is cool.